Hi guys, I just received my Bloom palette from Natasha Denona and I'm very excited to do some swatches for you today. What I will be doing is I'll open the box, I'll show you how it's packaged, and then I will show you what the colors look like and what the palette looks like. I will do the swatches one by one on my arm, and then when I'm done I will give you my thoughts on the quality of the swatches and the color story overall. So I'm just going to dive right into it. The box opens up. Ooh. It has that carton packaging on the inside, extra protection for the palette. And that's what the box looks like. I know Natasha Denona designed the outside by herself. It's her own watercolor painting. At the back you have all the color names and the ingredients for each one. That's what the palette looks like. Just want to show you this beautiful watercolor work. Okay, and now for the colors. Oh, that's beautiful. I do agree with most of the people who saw the actual palette so far. It looks a lot warmer than you would expect, especially from this side onwards. These are really your only cool tone shades. So I'm just going to jump directly into the swatches. I'll go from left to right, top to bottom. So we're starting off with Fluorescence, Bark, Keen, and Rain. That's what those colors look like. I did do swatches, so I have a bit of staining on my arm already. But that's Fluorescence, Bark, Keen, and Rain. Oh, it's a beautiful peachy color. It looks like it could be a nice blush color as well. Okay, then we have Flare, Crisp, Lush, and Brick. That's what they look like. Okay, that's Flare, Crisp. Oh, that's got a beautiful sparkle to it. Lush. Oh, that one also has a pretty sparkle. And Brick. Oh, I like that color. Okay, then we have Rue, Floss, Petal, and Ember. That's what those colors look like. Okay, we have Rue. Oh, that's gorgeous. Floss, Petal, very light color, just adding a little bit more, and Ember. It's a very warm coppery color. And we have Robin, Clover, and Equinox. That's what those three look like. This Equinox looks very goldeny on the camera, but in real life it has a pinky shift to it. There's a bit of a light bluish sparkle. So there we have Robin, Clover, and Equinox. That's what all the colors look like. I really kind of expected this palette to be a bit more pink and rosy, and as I said, these colors look quite warm toned, a lot more than it does on the website's images. So if you were specifically looking for a rosy cool tone palette, this is not really it. That being said, it's still a beautiful palette. I think it's got a lot of balance in there. If you're the type of person who's looking for a palette that has a bit of cool tone and warm tone shades in there, I really like the range that it has, and I think you can create stunning eyeshadow looks with this. And I actually think you can create beautiful bridal eyeshadow looks with this as well. The formula feels like the same Natasha Denona formula. It's not really a very dry formula so far. I'll have to play with it first before I can really give you an honest opinion on that, but up to now it feels like it swatches well. It didn't leave a lot of patchiness, and the sparkly shades really has a beautiful, nice, fine sparkle to it, especially these two. And that's really something I've been drawn to a lot lately, is the finer, sparkly, glittery, not glittery, because glittery looks chunky. I think this is more elegant, the fine sparkle in an eyeshadow. And it's sad that the camera doesn't really capture it as beautifully as it is. You can see some of the sparkle left over on my fingers. So there we go. Let me know what you think about the eyeshadow palette. Are you excited to see my first tutorial with it? I can't wait to play with it. I think I can do very nice everyday looks for work with this eyeshadow palette. And I look forward to using it and comparing it to my other Natasha Denona palettes. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!